pleasantly to all of us. Now, for today's video, I will be showing you or having a tutorial on how to clear the examination database for the um, Zamboanga del Norte Division uh, e, e electronic division achievement test, no? So most of the one of the encountered problems of some teachers or reported problems of some teachers during the conduct of the division achievement test here, say for example, if I'm going to open the module division AD test for the conduct of division achievement test. So if they're going to add test, and then so for example that they have already entered all the necessary information in this window, and then clicking on save. Pag-click po ng save natin, ang nangyayari ay hindi po siya na-add dito sa supposedly mag-a-appear dito yung examinations na ka-add lang ng teacher, no? So try natin. Lagyan ko na 36 for the for the school ID. And I click on search para ma-search yung mga school's information, and then the examination file, example DDT, so example grade 8, and then yan, Araling Palipunan, and then open, and then for the grade types, so example this is only mono, and then for the section A, and then upload students list. So these are the students who are going to take the examinations, and then right after that click on save. Supposedly ito yung mangyayari. Yan, mag-pop up na online na yung examinations at the link, no? So mag-a-appear siya dito. But in any case na pag save natin hindi po siya nag-appear. So hindi po siya nalagay dito sa table natin dito na list of exams natin. We need to clear up the examination database now. But before you are going to clear the database, I just want to take note that this examination database, kung baga yung mga files nga, kung doon nakalagay yung mga examinations natin, ay lahat ng examinations yun, hindi lang yung sa EDAT, pati na rin doon sa mga classes natin at saka yung ibang examinations servers na ginamit natin, no? So doon siya nakalagay lahat. So be careful when you are going to delete. So in my demonstration, I will just clear those files. I will just transfer it to another folder so that whenever na kailangan ko yung mga files na yun, kailangan ko yung examinations na yun, gusto kong i-browse siya ulit, ibabalik ko lang siya doon sa dating location niya. Okay? So ito po yung gagawin natin. Mag-open po tayo ng folder to clear the examinations database, ha? We just need to open a folder and then go on this PC and then go on drive C and then navigate on Silvertick files and then open database and then type here or look for section exams. We have this section exams folder ito. So hanapin po natin to siya, i-open po natin siya, at ito yung mga exam files natin na nakalagay. By folder na po yan. So sa inyo siguro marami yan siya, pero ang gagawin natin dito, di-delete po natin itong lahat na yan para ma-clear yung examinations natin. And then, pati na rin itong dalawang folder na to. Huwag natin i-delete, Control Z muna. Ayan. Una na rin palang i-delete, no? Yung kailangan natin siya ay i-copy natin, or ito lahat. Select natin sa lahat. Or Control A para mas mabilis. And then Control X lang po. Iwanan lang natin yung new text document. Yan. Iwanan natin. And then, ang ginawa ko noon ay nag-control lang ako. Press Control. Hindi ko binitawan yung Control. Tsaka click yung text document. Okay? Para ma-unselect siya. Hindi siya kasama sa selected. Okay? So, Control X lang para ma-cut siya. Cut. Or sa ICLC, right click and cut. Cut. Para ma-cut po siya, and then lagay lang po natin siya sa akin. Desktop po lang. Sa inyo, kayo na bahala kung saan nyo siya ilagay. magse-serve po ito siya as backup. So, for example, this is section exams, and then yan, paste ko lang siya dito. Paste lang ako dito, no? So, kanina wala pa yan siya. So, for example, kanina wala pa yan. Right click lang and then paste. Saan mo yung paste dito? Right click and paste. Wala. Ano nangyari? Ito pala. So, control X natin siya. Or right click. Cut. And then, right click here. Paste. Paste. Alright. So, yun. So, tapos na siya. Kung we're going to take a look at with or go back with the module, wala na siya. Clear na siya. So, mangyayari niyan, parang fresh installed yung Solvertech natin. Pero doon lang yun sa examinations. Yung mga examinations lang yun. Okay? So, if you're going to add now your examinations here, it should be displayed in this table. Okay? So, I hope you learned something.